Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to use pivot connector. As example, I will insert a con object and then you can rotate into 180 degree. Go to SimLab and then insert the pivot icon. You can click this icon here and I will move the pivot with align tools. You can set in the center of this con object. And then you can select the pivot. You can connect into the con object. Now, if you play and we throw the object, we create the gravity like this. Okay, that's it for a basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to use pivot connector. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.